Hi, this is an unboxing and review of the new DES RGB fans and the 120mm. According to the box, DS Fixed Rainbow Light RGB 6-pack, actually made in China. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Look at that. Can you see that? Take one out. Show you what it looks like. These are on Amazon for $17.99, which I bought yesterday, which was the end of November. I like this. Flip it over. Comes with only Molex. It's a 2-pin Molex, and you can mount them all together by clipping one behind each other. And they're made by DS. Is 120mm size and suitable for most cases. And it's 1,300 RPM. That's a standard fixed size. And don't know if you can see that. And the fans, we have like a cut in the fans. It's a special design, because when they spin, you see this special stream in the air of the light. I'll try this one. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. Another thing is they put these shock absorbing, vibration dampening, some kind of rubber, so it doesn't vibrate in your PC case, and I think they're quite beautiful. These cheap fans in a box, and add this to my collection actually. I like this glittery look. Okay, let's get this baby all lit up and show you what it's like. Okay, Molex is now connected. Reverse it over. Quite good air for 1,300 RPM. Oops. Try to keep my fingers away from it. Turn it off. And there you have it. DS RGB 120mm fans. I can give you a link towards this if you want to buy on Amazon.